Currently, 1/5 of the UK population rent, but there are a huge number of sites you have to visit in order to find the house for you. Lendy is a single-page web application built in Angular for comparing property rent prices all around Bristol. It allows users to enter in a postcode or a keyword into the search box, along with any filters to then view all available properties from that area. This is done using a node module called Algolia. All the property information has been successfully collected via a series of Python web scrapers that collect the data and then add them to Algolia and Firestore via a post request. The data is collected from Rightmove, Zoopla and others, meaning that the user can save both time and money by only visiting this one site. The web scrapers run every 12 hours via a cron job to ensure the most up-to-date properties are available. A user can also like properties, which stores the ID of that property into their user model on Firestore, so can then be accessed via the Like Properties tab within the dashboard section, allowing the user to revisit and save any potential new homes. The user can also edit their profile that will live update the UI using a series of observables, adding a more personalised experience to the platform. A unique aspect of Lendy is the data visualizations, used for comparisons instead of just a series of properties. This allows the user to have a visual representation of potential savings. The data for these visualizations was created using a series of modern RxJS reactive programming techniques to concatenate rent prices of each postcode in Bristol collected by the scrapers. The first graph shows the average rent price per location in pink, whilst the blue is showing how much you could save if you move to a different location, based on your selected location at the top, and can be changed as shown. The savings table shows this as a percentage, with the percentage being taken from the number of properties available and the average price for that area. A wider context map is also available using Fusion Charts to show average rent prices in each county in England. At the bottom of the page is a Google Maps visualization showing dense student areas and a bar chart showing all available properties. This area of the application has been taken on by a Bristol startup called Bunk and is being integrated into their platform in the upcoming months.